manje inkinga eyokuthi uthatha i-contribution ucabanga ukuthi izokwenza ube yindoda kanti ngeke zikwenze lokho.
Has it ever happened Mthombeni ukuthi sometimes ukuthatha isibuko reflect on your leadership skills futhi as uMthombeni, am I still leading with love, with appreciation? Am I formidable enough? Do I have boundaries? Because that's the only way that they could trust your leadership.
Yazi mina babinabe ngitsheliwe kwathiwa nokuthamba kwakhe kona kusinikeza inkinga because my system yokulead i-soft.
Mhlawumbe ubone ngazuthi ku-soft kuyena noma mhlawumbe la e-soft khona ucabanga ukuthi u-soft yonke indawo. No, bengingakaze ngikubone lapha kwami ukuba soft. Ngomfundo nokhohlwa igama elilodwa lithi use to.
I think ngikhona into esengishaya engqondweni. Wena who backs you up? Who has got your back Mthombeni?
Ngiyaqala manje ukufika esimweni la ngifika khona ngithi I need someone to help me. Yabona all along bengisebenza ngeformula engayinikezwayo. So ke manje anginayo umuntu engingamkhomba ngithi nangu umuntu ngoba imama nje ngirealize ukuthi I need lo muntu.
Njengoba sila kamseleko kungabekho abantu abadala kuyabonakala kakhulu isidingo sabo. Mhlawumbe kube wayinobaba mhlawumbe kwangeke kuze kwenzeke kanje. Mhlawumbe uyizombonisa ngenye indlela abone ngenye indlela enze ngenye indlela noma ethatha isithembu kodwa ezinye izinto izozenza ngenye indlela.
Mthombeni mhlawumbe nomama bangangilekelela.
Hayibo guys, like umseleko njalo bekuthintwa ubaba wakhe, like he gets emotional kanti lesilonda lesa sipholi. Yeah I sho ukuthi like I'll never understand ukuthi kunjani ungakhulu ungabi nobaba as a boy child, you know, like because umseleko like all the time njalo bekuthinta igama lakho, it's either uba angry or uba emotional. Namanje selifuna ukukhala. Hi. And also indaba uma yena ishoyo ukuthi yabonakala ungabi khona abantu abadala emndenini wakamseleko because uMacele I feel like sometimes he also steps into the role of being Mseleko's mother, you know what I mean, because of engena present mother or noma engena present father. But guys, oh malume no auntie, like what happened to that system? Like there is no living adults vele kulomndeni abadala. Hayibo phela umndeni again ubaba nomama kuphela umndeni. Guys, if you like the video, please comment down below and please subscribe to the channel.